So, hey guys, today I'm gonna teach y'all how to get a custom skybox. So, first step is what you're gonna do. Search for, what is it called? All skyboxes. Oh, what the fuck's that? All skyboxes. Just find it. Try to click this guy. I think it's this guy. Nah, bro, this is not the right one. Oh, I know. Search the frog colors custom skybox. Then click this video. Okay, this is the right one. This is the right video, guys. So what you're gonna do is go onto his description. By the way, credits to your frog crawler. Go to his drive folder. Just download what thing do you want here. What all you gotta download, for example, is this skybox fix. All you gotta do is download it. Wait for it to zip. Oh, let's wait for it. Yeah, it's done. After that, you gotta do is show it in folder. Right click it, extract all, extract. After that, where the fuck is it? Click here, the extracted file, and right click, double click the move. Don't worry, it's not dangerous. Click run. This thing will show up. Just click any key so it disappears. After that, pick anything you want here. For example, I'm gonna use this gray cloudy sky. I download this thing. I mean not that this gray cloud sky. That gray cloudy sky doesn't look too good. Okay, these two. Okay. Download. Wait for it to zip, guys. Here's, here's my video recording thing. It's called OBS Studio. You also can see it as an infinite loop. Did it zip, guys? All you gotta do to this, just don't extract it. It just takes time. Right click it. Whoa, what the fuck happened? Yeah, just double click it. Copy all of this and exit here. Just go to your fish trap. I mean, don't right click, open file location. Click on versions. This another versions here. Click on platform content, PC, textures, sky. Delete these shits and paste your new sky. So let's go, guys. Let's test it out and see if it works. Just wait for it to load. Yeah, it finally loaded Roblox. Bro, why is this thing taking so long, bro? This is not usual. Let's go to rivals. Hey, here, wait for it to load. This PC is slow. DDR3 and 8 GB RAM. What do you expect? Wait for it to load, guys. Let me just... Bro, wait for it to load. Bro, why this thing takes so long? Yo! Wait, wait. Is that? Not 10, bro. 15? Yeah, 15 will do it. Just go right here. Click anything you want. See? You freaking got the gray cloudy sky. So, bye guys. See you to my next video. Peace out.